most merciful and the most compassionate, honorable teachers and my good fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to tell you the most important battle in the history of Islam, the Battle of Badr, Ghazwa Badar. This battle took place on the 17th of Ramadan in the second year of Hijrah in 624 CE. This was the turning point for Islam and showed with faith and courage we can do anything. Ghazwa Badr, aka the Battle of Islam. The Muslims led by Hazrat Muhammad Khatam al-Nabiyyin sallallahu alaihi wasallam were 313, very less in numbers, while on the other hand, the Quraysh were 1,000 well-equipped soldiers. But Allah helped them and they won the battle. Allah always helped the Muslims. Before Ghazwa Badr, Hazrat Muhammad Khatam al-Nabiyyin sallallahu alaihi wasallam made a dua. Oh Allah, please, please, please. We want our winning equipments. They were not having any good equipments and resources, but although they won. So it shows that we must also grateful to Allah for anything that He had. So please, I just want to say that, please Allah grant us courage to stand for rightness. Thank you.
Hello guys, like, share our videos and subscribe our school channel, please.